How to schedule meal on Yahoo. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can schedule meal on Yahoo. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Yahoo Mail on your device. Once you open it up, navigate to the top right corner and tap on the pencil icon. So from here now, you can compose a meal. So there under the to, type in the recipient ID or the account. Provide your subject and also add the meal or the content on your body section. Once you have done that, in order to schedule your meal, tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner. There is an option for schedule for later. So select that option. Now you can add the time. Tap on the timing and then select the date as well as the time. Then here tap on select date in time. Once you have done that, all you got to do is tap on schedule messages, and with that, on your scheduled time, the meal will be sent to the recipient. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.